So we've been making hot cross buns for charity for 7 years now. We want to give the money to a charity that supports people within our industry of hospitality, especially people that have had mental health issues and need a bit of support. So we're raising funds for Hospo in mind.
The Holmesglen Hot Cross Bun Drive's a fantastic event, and raising money for charity is always an amazing thing. And yeah, we were fortunate enough to be the recipient of that this year. Well, I was actually a bartender for nearly 8 years before I became a psychologist, so I kind of learned the ins and outs of the hospitality industry through that. Really rewarding, but also really challenging. So that's really what I wanted to focus on with Hospo in mind, just supporting people in those tough moments and using my experience in the industry. I really loved having a walk through the kitchen before and seeing everyone putting their skills into action. So yeah, I think that was fantastic.
So we have Certificate 3 and Certificate 4 patisserie students in here. Both programs run for between 11 to 12 months, depending on what they're doing. It's a really great opportunity for the students because we don't generally do a bulk production day in their normal training. They won't get that experience until they get into the industry itself. So this is a good opportunity for them to see how we mass produce stuff. I think we're going to be at about 22 to 2,300. In the lead up to doing today, I go to different suppliers and ask for donations. And we've had things donated from a promo trading, Manildra flour, Tim Stock, Van Roy Machinery. They lend us a machine we don't technically have. The Royal Nut Company and Le Saf. And then we give all the funds back to a charity.
From the first moment that we spoke to Holmesglen, it was really obvious that they genuinely cared about supporting the well-being and mental health of their staff, students, and just the hospitality community more broadly. And that really aligned with our vision for Hospo in mind, promoting a healthier, happier, and more sustainable hospitality industry.
My ideal is for this to continue every year and for it to grow. So hopefully next year we can raise $1,000 more than we do this year. It's a great community program, I think.